everyone. So now fishing with me. Oh, wow! Wow! Everyone, fish! Ooh. I got 4 fish, everyone. I think it is enough for my food today. So let's go home and cook with me. Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So after fishing, I got 4 fish, everyone. I got 4 fish. So I will show you guys about how to cook this fish with soybean and also ginger, everyone. This is soybean, everyone, and this is ginger. So today I'm going to show you guys about how to fry it together. It is my traditional food in my local, everyone. In my local, it's food nam chiên chuồn, everyone. So now start to cook with me. Add oil. Add a little bit salt, everyone, for easy to fry. Just a little. Then fry our fish. So while we await our fish to be already cooked, so we take the time to clean our vegetable and also to cut our ginger. Cut our ginger, everyone. Cut it to be smaller. Green onion to be smaller too. So now our fish is already cooked, so we take it out the fire. We start to fry our soybean with fish. First we add oil, then garlic, sugar, add some cheese, fish sauce. Add just a little fish sauce everyone because our soybean is salty. Add our ginger. Then we add our soybean. I add a little oyster sauce to be more yummy. Then we add our fish. When the soybean nearly to be already cooked like this, we add fish. It smells so good everyone, even though it's not yet already cooked. Smell from soybean and also ginger. So now it's already cooked, so we take it out of the fire. Add green onion. It looks so delicious everyone. Wow. Fresh ginger like this, it's so spicy, but it's so yummy too everyone. And eat it with our cucumber. Really yummy everyone. You can learn to do it by follow my video. This is my traditional food in my local everyone, and it is so yummy and yummy. So I think it is the time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about my local food and also to see more video about the countryside lifestyle. So now it is the time to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone, and thank you for watching my video.